Once the parent is logged into YouTube Kids app, go to the setting by click this gear icon. Then go to Parent Setting. Remember that parents have to solve the puzzle, which is normally a math question, and then it will allow you to go to the setting. You can see that 2 kids have already been added. I need to create another kid profile, so click on the plus icon. Enter kid first name, then age in years, and the month in which the kid was born. Click on Approve Content yourself. OK. Your child will only be able to watch video channels or collections that you have approved. Click on Select. You are going to pick videos and channels for your kid. Click on Start. In front of you, there are groups of channels based on their contents. Click on the plus icon, and the collection is approved. When you have finished, click on the Done button. And now you have 3 kids' profiles on YouTube Kids.